Hey everybody, it's Mason Edmonds, Prevention Specialist, here on behalf of Student Counseling Services once again, and I would like to quickly show you how to use their new Lightbox therapy kits that they just got in. So when you first get your kit, it's going to come in a small box with a set of instructions, just to remind you, and a charger. It should already be charged, but if it's not, the charging port is right here on the back next to the kickstand that you'll use to prop it on your desk or whatever work area you're working in. When you want to go turn it on, pro tip, keep it away from yourself because you want to avoid looking directly in the light, and it can be quite bright. You don't know what it's set at. So let's see here. Right here at the bottom of the device on the left-hand side, you have your brightness controls, which can go brighter, as bright as you'd like, and then softer as well. And when you know something is maxed out in the settings, it'll vibrate like that. I don't know if you can hear it. On the right-hand side, you have buttons that actually control color temperature, so you can make it colder or warmer depending on your preference. And then in the middle of the device, you can actually set a timer for your session length. I like to set the timer and then use the kickstand right on the back, set it up in your work area, and then you just start working. And the timer will go off when the session is over, and they recommend about 60 minutes each morning, and then you should start feeling the effects, the positive effects of it pretty soon. To check out one of these light therapy kits, there's going to be a link in the description of this video that'll lead you to the checkout system. So I hope you enjoy them. They're pretty awesome. Take care of yourselves. I'll see you soon.